In this session, we're going to talk about some more options associated with the access of our Excel charts. And the first step towards modifying the values begins from going to the Layouts tab and clicking on this Access menu over here. Now, since there are always two axes in any of the chart that we build, we look at the options available to us for the horizontal axis and the vertical axis one by one. So beginning from the horizontal axis, the default option that has been selected is that I want to show my axis which is left to the right axis, which simply means that my axis would appear in this following manner. What if I wanted my axis to appear without the heading? So there you go. Now there are no Jan, Febs or March available to us over here, and we have a plain line representing our horizontal axis. Moving even forward, if we want the axis to be changed in this way, you can see now the whole thing has mirror imaged. The previously the my axis used to begin from this point and extend towards this point, and now my axis begins from this point and extends towards the left side. So this is the difference between having axis from left to right and from right to left. Now have this finishes up with the horizontal axis options, and if we go and now look at the vertical options available to us also, so let's just create this a default value. And if you look at the vertical axis values also, now there is a market difference, there's an obvious difference between the whole of the things. First, it asks the default value that has been selected is that I want to show my default axis, that is there's going to be no formatting of the number values, or there would be no labels on this. The next option is I have the option of showing up my axis in values of thousands. Clicking on this, you can see that the numbers have changed to 0, 5, 10, 15, and there has a marker associated with this which tells me that all these numbers are in thousands of values. And I can even go ahead and change this to millions. You can see now the whole values changes to 0.00 and all those things to adjust for the millions factor. I can go ahead and change it to billions. I can go ahead and change it to log scale also. And this is quite of use when you are reporting for scientific purposes, and you don't really want to do the computation on your own part. So Excel will take care of all of the calculations on your behalf. So these are all the options available to us while concerning the horizontal and the vertical axis. Thank you for watching.